are we unboxing today?
Hey guys, so today, right here in front of me, I have fell victim to stay home online shopping. Let's see what we have in the box over here, alright? Put this out. Okay. So I went ahead and ordered myself the brand new iPad Pro 11-inch, second generation. So today we are going to be unboxing it. Okay, now first and foremost, I'm very impressed by Apple's delivery policy. I ordered this actually last Friday and it's been 4 days and they actually managed to get it across to me, even though I was promised I think between 7 to 10 days originally. So very impressive, and even more impressive considering the times that we live in. Mask on, brandless sanitizer, so don't sue me, wet wipes as well. Okay, so make sure all of you are staying at home and being safe and doing online shopping. So let's unbox this 11-inch iPad Pro. We have the charger, charging cable, USB-C now. Very happy about that. Lots more connectivity options for me. And then let's see what's inside here. A bunch of, what is this here? Instruction manuals, doing your Face ID stuff. What else is in there? Of course, famous Apple stickers. Okay, which probably will stay in the box because I'm just like that, right? Keeping stuff till the day I'm ready to sell. Okay, so me being me, I'm not going to take out this protective casing just as yet, because I've just ordered some screen protector casing and stuff like that, and me being me, I like to keep my stuff nice and neat, so I'm not going to use it without it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I just wanted to share with you why I went ahead and purchased this brand new iPad Pro. So later on, as the weeks go by or the days go by, I'll make more videos about what it can do and give you more reviews about what I think about it. But the main reason I went and bought this is really because of my day job. As an educator, I thought the iPad Pro will come in very handy for me to monitor my students' work. And not forgetting, along with this, I went and got, hang in there. Stop. I'm gonna go. Not like I'm doing something in secret.
No.
I went and bought the Apple Pencil 2. Okay, so I hear a lot of amazing things about it. I saw lots of reviews about it. Actually, even I got this a bit earlier. I got this within a day. Okay, so I had to wait a little while for my iPad Pro. I even went and got my rubber casing and stuff like that done for it. And this will actually allow me to mark my students' work and give it back to them via Google Classroom. So that's one of the main reasons I'm going to use this. And later on, the video that is being shot on my Fuji X-E2, I'm going to transfer the content onto my iPad Pro. I'm going to edit it before I put it up on YouTube. Okay, so that was a very short video of me unboxing the brand new iPad Pro with the new camera. Why you take a camera, put a camera in this and take pictures of this? I don't know. I don't want to be one of those guys at the concert, like that, blocking people. No, I'm not going to do that. But it's pretty interesting to see that they have actually invested to put a very good camera on it. And let's see if that comes in handy as I start to use it. Alright guys, so catch you in the next one. Just when I thought the video was about to end, check this out guys, check this out. It says there's a quick start feature where I can bring my current iPhone iPad to sign in and set up. So let's try it. I'm just going to bring...
No way!
No way guys, no way! Oh my god, Apple, you never ever fail. Hold your new iPad onto the camera. You gotta be kidding me! It's doing it for me! How do you do that? And look at the graphics on this thing. Oh my god, I can't show you guys this. Enter passcode of iPhone.
Okay.
Amazing, amazing.